Hi, change website domain name in Sitecore 9.2. It's not a just easy straightforward process as we have been using with other version of Sitecore. During this quick demo where I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do it, you will see that's more involved in the simple single task of change a website domain name. By the way, my name is Justiniano Alves and I'm a senior Sitecore developer. I was working on a project where I had to install a new Sitecore vanilla instance for a client. However, by the time that I was installed the Sitecore, I didn't have any information that guides me through the configuration, mainly to the host name or instance of the name. As we always do, we follow by default naming convention that Sitecore has on the web config file. Later on, the client presents me with the host name that I should use for the Sitecore website. Matter of fact, change Sitecore website domain after install is not a simple process as used to be, as I mentioned. It's not change the website name and physical name and the file and the file host and the host name in the host file. It's not just that. It's gonna involve more. Well, I will not cover anything during this video, any issue that I face trying to change the host name, because if you follow up this video, all the steps one by one, you will not face any issue when you change the website name. Okay, so without any conversation, let's start diving into that. I'm gonna be using one demo website here that I have on my local machine, and then I will walk you through all the steps that we have to do to change the site name domain. Okay, so this is the website, let's say the campus local 9.2 test.com. This is the website that I'm gonna change the name. So basically what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna say, okay, I want to change this website domain name. First thing you should do always just stop the IS, and then I'm gonna change that name, and the name is gonna be let's put it that way, Extension dot, and then I'm gonna put dev local. Okay, that's how I'm gonna change that. Okay, then after change the name here, I will have to change the after you change the IS name, you will have to go to change the physical folder where you have the website. I have the website here on my physical folder, initpub www.root. I'm gonna change that here. Okay, but then after you change here on the physical folder, you will have to change the host file name also. So let's go there, Windows, and then you go to the Windows, yeah, and then system, then drive, and then set. Oop. Oh, let's just put the name that way. Okay, the host file. Phew, I have a lot of here. So which one I'm gonna about to change? Okay, this is the one. I'm gonna switch that. Okay, so I'm gonna just change the website names. Okay, then you change that. Good. And then the next step, what you have to do is to generate the certificate. Okay, because you change the website name, so you have to create a self-signed certificate with that domain. Okay, to do that, I have this page that I'm host on the Medium, where actually I have all the all the document all the steps that I'm doing here on the video, how to change Sitecore website host name. And then I have this is the script to generate the certificate. Okay, so basically I'm gonna just put it here, Notepad++. Okay, and then so you have to change something. So the domain has to change. This one you have to change it. So let's change for the one. Okay, you have to change for this one. You change domain. The password I'm gonna leave that one. Okay, and then okay, this is where you're gonna save your certificate. Okay, so I'm gonna start the certificate. Basically I can just save here just for test. Okay, okay, Notepad++, cc. Okay, good, everything looks good. So now you have to save this, and then when you save it, you're gonna I'm gonna just put this on the desktop, and then I'm gonna call self certificate. Okay, actually I'm gonna put it here on the C drive, self certificate. Okay, let's just put it in the C drive, and then you open the Windows PowerShell as administrator. Oh, one thing, you have to save this with this format, PS1, so you can run that to the Windows PowerShell. Okay, so it will understand as a script, so it's gonna, so then save, and then install. So you will see self certificate, another one running. Oops, some things go wrong. Okay, let me just open. It's here, it's complaining about something. Oh yeah, oh, this is all wrong. I have to fix this. What else? This one too. I should look into that. Okay, that's all. Okay, good. Close, and then clean, run this again. Okay, you're good to go. So now you have to import that certificate into Trust Root Certification Authority. Okay, and how are you gonna do that? So you know where do you save that? So now you just go MSN here, and then open. Okay, and then you're gonna file, add snap, and then certificate. You add it. I'm gonna add my computer, local computer, finish. Okay, and then under Trust Root Certificate here, I'm gonna import all task, and I'm gonna import. So next, so where I save that, as I show you, it's here. I'm gonna put all, and then this is the self certificate. Next, I'm gonna just the password. You have the password. So the password, if you don't remember, is this one. Copy, and then you paste it. Okay, you can display it to confirm everything looks good. Okay, trust it. Next, finish. Okay, successful. Okay, and then you go to the IIS. And IIS, you can start website, and then you have to go to the binding. Oh, this HTTPS, host name, extension, dev local. And then for the certificate, you have to grab this one, okay, because it's available there already. Saving, beautiful. And then you try to browse the website. Okay, so the certificate, okay, I trust it. I know one thing very important. So stop IS, and then you have to change this. Extension dev local. Okay, change both. Okay, and then another thing, let's make sure the Explorer. Yeah, you see advanced insert, so you have to fix this. So you go here, net public extension dev. Okay, good. Now you start, go. Okay. The website seems gonna load. Just wait a couple minutes since we load this the first time. Yeah, it's taking a little bit more time, but just bear with me here. Okay, while it's loading, I'm gonna show you something. After you make this change, the website is gonna load, but as the Sitecore 9.2, the authentication now is a different process. So there's the identity server which handles all the authentication. Since you changed the host name, you have to tell the Sitecore, you have to tell the identity server about these new clients. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to do authentication. How you're gonna do it is copy this URL. You go to the identity server website that's rendered that authentication, this one, and the config prod here in the host. You're gonna change this to this one. Okay, then you're gonna change this as well, because if you didn't change that after the website load, you're gonna try to authenticate, it's not gonna get, it will not authenticate. Okay, that seems what we have to do in terms of the steps. So let me see, the website is loading, but now I'm gonna try to authenticate. Okay, it should redirect me to the identity server, but you might need to restart the identity server for the first time when you change it. But let's see, if it didn't work, we will reset it. Okay, this is identity server, and then you click login. It should take you back to the Sitecore. Okay, just but then the next video might be how you change the identity server domain, stuff like that. As you see, I'm using the new website domain and everything looks good. I'm authenticate. Okay, so that's it about it. This is how you change the Sitecore website host name for the version 9 and upper, so on. I hope this is going to be helpful, and then if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel because I will be share more tips and tricks about Sitecore. Okay, subscribe, and then when there's new video like this, you will receive the notification. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Justiniano Alves.